Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we'll be diving into the patient encounter on Ilara's HMIS. This is a powerful tool that will transform the way you manage patient information, making your workflow smoother and efficient. The patient encounter is a feature designed to capture every aspect of the patient's visit, from the moment they step into your facility to the moment they leave. With this feature, you can open a patient encounter, record vital information like triage details, complaints, and HPI. I'll be tackling these two on today's tutorial, but there's also the crucial overviews such as review of system, investigation, examination, appointment scheduling, diagnosis and plan, prescription, and many more. Each of these sections have their own dedicated tutorial, but on today's tutorial, I'll be focusing on the two. Once a patient walks in the facility, the first step is to register their credentials, and if it's an existing patient, you can easily go to the encounter list and open a new encounter. So on today's demo, I'll start by opening a new encounter for an existing patient. On the top right of the encounter list, you'll see the new encounter button. Once you click on that, you'll get to add the patient, assign the doctor, and there's also an option for a patient that has a voucher, so you'll also get to select that and then start the new encounter. As you can see, I filled in the credentials and opened the patient encounter. On the left, now you can clearly see all the sections of the patient encounter, but on this video, I'll be tackling triage, complaints, and HPI, and then show you how to close an encounter, and lastly, how to view the encounter summary. For triage, I'll start by filling in the readings of the patient. I'll quickly be filling the readings in. Meanwhile, I'll be taking you through the patient overview, which is usually displayed on the right-hand side. On the patient overview, you can be able to quickly glance on any patient information that you require. We have a cat icon, which is used to show all the pending bills for the patient. Below it, we have the patient tags. All the patient tags for the patient will be displayed here. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see different tabs. These are triage, encounters, and the history. For the triage, you'll get to see the previous recordings for the patient's triage stage. You can also be able to view all the encounters that the doctor opened for this particular patient. And also there's a summary where you'll get to see their medical history, family history, and if there are any allergies. As you can see, I'm done filling in all the readings. So on the triage, when you scroll down, there's also a section for the triage history. This is also where all the triage recordings will be displayed. Next, we'll head to the complaints and HPI. This is where you get to document the patient's encounter type, if it's a referral and the result for the referral. Also, if there are any important documents, you can also be able to attach it there. You can also document the patient's main reason for the visit and also add their detailed history of the current symptoms. This section is crucial for guiding clinical decisions, tracking the patient's progress over time, ensuring continuity of care with other providers, supporting accurate billing, and providing legal protection through documentation. As you can see, I'm done filling in the complaints in HPI. Next, we'll go to closing the encounter. Once you click on close encounter, a module will pop up asking if you're sure you want to close this encounter. This is mainly because once an encounter is closed, it can't be opened again. You can only view a read-only encounter summary. There is also a follow-up message that is usually sent to the patient, and you have the option to select what time you want it to be sent. So we have tonight and 3 days. I'll select tonight and then close the encounter. This means that the encounter is now closed and cannot be opened, but only read, and a follow-up message will be sent to the patient tonight. For the encounter summary, we'll go back to the encounter list, and you can see that the state of the encounter has changed from resume encounter to view encounter, and on click, you'll be able to see the encounter is closed. And when you go back, we have an action bar that will allow us to view the encounter history and also get to book an appointment for the patient. I'll start by the encounter history. And over here you'll get to see the patient's details and also get to view all the encounters that have been opened for this particular patient and even the closed ones. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you fully maximize Ilara's HMIS.